Imagine earning over $15,000 a month without managing tenants or fixing leaky roofs. Sounds impossible? Welcome to the world of virtual real estate. In Unlock the Power of Digital Landlord, How to Earn 15,000 Plus Income Renting Virtual Real Estate, we'll show you how to claim, rent, and profit from online spaces. Whether you're a beginner or a tech-savvy investor, it's time to build your digital empire. Let's get started. As more people recognize the benefits of digital assets, the trend of becoming a digital landlord is rapidly gaining momentum. With minimal overhead costs and the ability to reach a global audience, this model offers a unique pathway to financial independence. Imagine earning money while you sleep, as your digital properties work for you around the clock. Engaging in this lucrative venture not only provides a source of passive income, but also opens doors to greater financial freedom. By unlocking the power of digital landlords, you can create a sustainable income stream that allows you to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Join us as we explore this transformative opportunity. Step 1. Understand the concept of digital real estate. Digital real estate refers to online assets that hold value and can generate income in the virtual economy. This concept has gained significance as more businesses and individuals transition to online platforms, creating a demand for digital properties. Understanding digital real estate is crucial for anyone looking to capitalize on this growing market. There are various types of digital properties, including websites, domain names, and virtual land in online environments like metaverses. Websites can be monetized through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products, while premium domain names can be bought and sold for profit. Virtual land, often found in gaming or social platforms, can also be developed and leased, offering unique income opportunities. Digital landlords operate by acquiring these assets, optimizing them for traffic and engagement, and then monetizing them through various strategies. This can include creating content, building communities, or leveraging advertising networks. By understanding the dynamics of digital real estate, aspiring digital landlords can effectively navigate this landscape and unlock the potential for substantial income generation in the online world. Step 2. Research profitable virtual real estate opportunities. To successfully venture into digital real estate, it's essential to identify platforms where you can buy and rent digital properties. Popular platforms like Decentraland and Sandbox offer immersive environments where users can purchase virtual land and develop it for various purposes, from gaming to social interaction. These platforms have gained traction, making them prime locations for investment. Analyzing market trends is crucial for understanding the demand for virtual real estate. Keep an eye on emerging technologies, user engagement, and the popularity of specific virtual spaces. This information can help you identify which areas are likely to appreciate in value and attract more users over time. Utilizing tools and resources to assess property values is another key step. Websites that track sales data, market analytics, and property listings can provide valuable insights into current trends and potential returns on investment. By combining these resources with thorough research, you can make informed decisions about which digital properties to invest in. This strategic approach will enhance your chances of success in the dynamic world of virtual real estate. Step 3. Acquire your first digital property. Acquiring your first digital property is an exciting milestone in your journey as a digital landlord. The first step is to choose a platform that aligns with your investment goals. Whether you're interested in virtual land, websites, or domain names, selecting the right platform is crucial for your success. Research various options to find one that suits your interests and financial objectives. Once you've chosen a platform, follow the purchasing process carefully. This typically involves setting up a digital wallet to store your assets securely. Be mindful of transaction fees, as these can vary significantly between platforms and may impact your overall investment. Understanding these costs up front will help you budget effectively. To minimize risk, consider starting with affordable properties. This approach allows you to gain experience without committing a large amount of capital. As you become more familiar with the market and the purchasing process, you can gradually explore higher value investments. By taking these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a successful portfolio in the world of digital real estate. Step 4. Develop your digital property for rental income. Once you've acquired your digital property, the next step is to develop it for rental income. Enhancing your property's appeal is crucial, and this can be achieved through thoughtful design and functionality. Invest time in creating an engaging user experience that attracts visitors and keeps them coming back. A well-designed space can significantly increase its rental value. Consider adding features that can generate additional income, such as hosting virtual events or incorporating advertising space. Virtual events can draw in crowds and create a vibrant community around your property, while advertising space can provide a steady stream of revenue. These features not only enhance the property's value, but also make it more appealing to potential renters. Effective marketing is essential to attract renters to your digital property. Utilize social media, online forums, and dedicated platforms to showcase your property's unique features and benefits. High-quality visuals and engaging descriptions can make a significant difference in capturing interest. By focusing on development and marketing, you can maximize your rental income potential and establish a successful digital real estate venture. Step 5. Set competitive rental prices. Setting competitive rental prices is a critical step in maximizing your income from digital properties. Begin by researching similar properties within your chosen platform to determine current market rates. This will give you a solid understanding of what others are charging and help you position your property effectively. When pricing your digital property, consider various factors such as location, amenities, and overall demand. Properties in high-traffic areas or those with unique features often command higher rental prices. Assessing these elements will enable you to set a price that reflects the value of your offering while remaining attractive to potential renters. Once your property is listed, be open to adjusting your prices based on feedback and occupancy rates. If you notice that your property is not attracting renters, it may be necessary to lower your price or enhance your offerings. Conversely, if demand is high, you might consider increasing your rates. Regularly monitoring the market and being flexible with your pricing strategy will help you optimize your rental income and ensure your digital property remains competitive in the ever-evolving virtual landscape. Step 6. Manage your digital property efficiently. Efficient management of your digital property is essential for maximizing its potential and ensuring a smooth rental experience. Start by utilizing property management tools designed to streamline operations. These tools can help you track bookings, manage payments, and automate communication, allowing you to focus on growing your digital real estate portfolio. Maintaining open lines of communication with your renters is equally important. Regularly check in for feedback and provide support when needed. This not only fosters a positive relationship, but also helps you identify areas for improvement. Happy renters are more likely to return and recommend your property to others, enhancing your reputation in the market. Additionally, it's crucial to regularly review and optimize your rental strategy. Analyze occupancy rates, rental income, and market trends to determine what's working and what isn't. Adjust your pricing, marketing efforts, or property features based on this analysis to improve your income. By actively managing your digital property and being responsive to both market changes and renter needs, you can create a sustainable and profitable venture in the world of digital real estate. Conclusion. Key points to becoming a successful digital landlord. In this video, we explored the essential steps to becoming a successful digital landlord. We began by understanding the concept of digital real estate and its significance in today's virtual economy. Next, we discussed how to research profitable opportunities, emphasizing the importance of choosing the right platforms and analyzing market trends. We then covered the process of acquiring your first digital property, highlighting the need for careful selection and budget management. After that, we focused on developing your property for rental income, including enhancing its appeal and marketing it effectively. Setting competitive rental prices was another crucial step, where we emphasized the importance of research and flexibility. Finally, we discussed efficient management practices, such as utilizing property management tools and maintaining communication with renters. Now that you have a roadmap to navigate the world of digital real estate, it's time to take action and explore these exciting opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might be interested in unlocking the potential of digital landlords. Your journey into virtual real estate awaits.